Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, we have survived the holidays and New Year's Day is gone and you know, it's back to reality, back in the kitchen, honey. So, I'm going to be making something that is just going to be delicious. Can y'all guess what I'm making here? I've got me some corn, some taters, some onions, some bacon, and chicken broth. We're making corn chowder. Today it is freezing cold outside. I mean, it is cold. So this is going to be perfect on our little tummies. And we're going to enjoy us some little corn chowder. Now, some people put little carrots in there, little celery. James Russell just likes the basic. Don't you, Russell?
Keep it simple.
He likes to keep it simple. So, but just know you can put you some little carrots and celery. And while I'm cooking the onion and potatoes, that's when you would just throw that in. So, I've already got my bacon fried up. I fried about 6 pieces of bacon. Now, if you want to do this very simple, you can use the bacon, the prepared bacon or whatever that you buy in the packs. But I am going to be using that little bit of bacon juice back there, that little goodness in the pan to do these onions and potatoes. So, let's get it thrown together because we're hungry. All right, y'all. I saved my little bit of grease in here. Just enough to coat the pan a little bit. Now I've got about a medium onion chopped. Put that in there. I got my little tongs while I was doing the bacon. I said, we ain't washing no more dishes. It'll be fine. Oh, there goes my pan trying to walk in the bedroom. I got potatoes here ready. Alright, now I'm not going to be putting a lot of salt on this because this chicken broth has, it's pretty salty. So I am going to go ahead and season this with some black pepper. And you can season with whatever you want to season with. You know, you do you. You can put garlic powder, onion powder. You can do all the things. But I'm going to keep it simple with some black pepper for right now. We're just going to let these cook for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to pour this chicken broth over it. And you can do water if you don't have chicken broth. You can do water and just season it up. But I'm going to then let it cook till the potatoes are tender. Then we're going to put the corn in and the bacon and some cream. I did forget to show the cream. I got cream in the refrigerator. That does go in here. Because we want this corn chowder to be creamy and just good. So, we'll let these cook a little minute. Alright, y'all, it's been about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, not that long, and I'm impatient. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just transfer this into this pot here, and put my broth on it, and let that start cooking, and getting those potatoes nice and soft. But y'all can see I got all this little goodness at the bottom of this pan here. And got all that goodness in there. In chicken broth it goes. Give it a little swirl. Make sure we get all that goodness. Here we go. Now we're just going to let that cook maybe about 5 minutes or so until these potatoes are tender. And so we'll be back. Alright, y'all, these little taters have been cooking away. They have softened up a bit, which is what we want. Now I'm just going to pour my corn in there. Now I've got 3 cups of corn, which equal to about 2 cans. Just whatever brand you want, just some cream corn. Some people like to mix the whole kernel and the cream style, but I really just like the cream style. I'm going to mix this around a little bit. Y'all, this is coming together so quick.
I tell you, it smells delicious.
It does. I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon in there. I'm going to probably save just a little bit of this bacon to go on top. Got my bacon going in there. Now we're going to put the cream in. And I'm going to measure with my heart, y'all, but it's about 2 cups. And it's just regular heavy cream. We like these big old honking jugs, don't we, Russell?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put about 2 cups in there, and this is what's gonna give it that creamy goodness. Yummy. Look at that. Yep, and all we got to do now is just cook this and get it blended in together. Nice and creamy. Some people put cheese on theirs. If you want to put some cheese on it, honey, you go for it. But this all there is to it, y'all. Little creamy corn chowder. Now I'm just gonna let this simmer maybe about 5 minutes more, and we'll be tasting it.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. We are hungry. It's lunchtime. All right, y'all. It's all yummy and ready to go. Now I'm gonna show you how Russell likes his. We just gonna put a little bit of cheese on top. Just a little sprinkle, just like this. A little bacon. Little bacon. And a little bit of green onions, honey. And that's all there is to it. This is ready to go.
I can't wait.
So easy. All right. You're up, buddy.
My time to shine.
Your time to shine, baby. All right, y'all. It is Russell's time. Tasting
My time. And I'm a professional.
He's a professional. He's
Got my professional shirt on today.
I didn't even notice. Yep. Well, you just go ahead and do your little job.
Yeah. Let me give it a stir.
The professional that you are.
Hopefully it's not piping. It's been.
I believe it's still hot.
Piping. It's still piping, y'all. Yeah, she got a little.
Give it a little blow.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that.
Let me show them my cup while you
Yeah, talk about the cup while we. Give it a little stall, y'all.
Give it a little time to simmer.
Yeah, let it cool just a second.
Is this not the cutest? Y'all probably can't see this close up, but my co-workers at work fixed this just for me, and it is has a nursing theme, which is just adorable. I'll post some pictures, but y'all, hey, this is just the cutest thing. I'm getting my water in, and listen, the 2 girls I work with, honey, they some Stanley geniuses. Oh, he went in.
I couldn't wait no longer, y'all.
Well, do tell.
Ooh. It's hard to beat that.
That's all I got to say about that.
It's you know, not to interrupt the stand the cup, but on a cold day.
And it's a cold day today.
Ain't nothing better than a good bowl of soup or chowder.
Yes.
And man, that'll warm your soul right there.
It will make you shout.
It will. It really will.
It'll make you shout.
I'm telling you,
Hallelujah.
I could eat probably that whole pot. It
It's
tastes
good.
It's sweet, smoky.
The smokiness from the bacon.
Yeah.
And
hearty with the potatoes.
Yes, so it's gonna, it's gonna fill you up. And I just topped it with a little bit of
got a little cheese,
Colby Jack cheese,
y'all.
and a little extra bacon and a little green onion.
You know how we love them cheese now.
We love some cheese.
Yeah.
Now you can add cheese in your whole pot. That's up to you. And I will say this: if you don't have heavy whipping cream, because it is outrageous, and sometimes it's hard to find. But if you don't have the heavy whipping cream, you can also start with just a roux. So when you have your little bacon grease in there, you can add your little bit of flour and a little bit of milk, and that can make that creamy roux as well. And another thing I've seen is the Pioneer gravy mix, like the sausage biscuit mix. You can start with that and then just add some chicken broth and your taters and all that stuff. So that's a little.
It's creamy and delicious. That's
but it is.
We'll have to reconfirm just in case we missed it on the first go around, y'all.
And from start to finish, it was what, 15 minutes. So can't beat that, honey.
Man,
so quick.
Yeah.
But and I like that it's just some simple ingredients.
That's how we like it.
I like it that way. Like I said, you can add some carrots and celery with your vegetables or whatever. If you want to make it, put you some more vegetables in it, make it a little more heartier.
Yeah.
But this is how he likes it.
Yeah.
Simple.
That's simple as it gets right there, and delicious. I mean,
It is.
Fantastic. Especially cold weather time, y'all. I mean, man, that's as good as it gets.
It comforts your soul.
Yeah,
It
good old
just
comfort
does.
food in this winter time, y'all. Man.
It will.
Yeah.
So I hope y'all enjoy this. This is quick, easy, but I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. If you try it, y'all
Let us
drop
know.
me some comments and let me know. Y'all know I've already said I just love the feedback and just love it. But yes, if you try it, holla back at you, girl.
Yeah, holla back.
Holla back. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time. Okay, let's do it again. I wasn't ready. I was waiting on you.
What you ready for?
Okay. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.